and welcome to the unboxing of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5. Let's take a quick look at what information we have on the box itself. It's written here that it has real-time heart monitor, waterproof up to 50 meters, and has magnetic charging as well. What else do we have here? Yes, it has an input current of 250 mA max, input voltage of input voltage of 5 volts, which is not much, to be very fair. This device has a battery capacity of 125 mAh. It is compatible with Android 5.0 and iOS 10.0 or above. Has a lithium polymer type battery, water resistance of 5 ATM as mentioned earlier, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is pretty great. Now it's time to open the box. Let's see what we have here. This is what you get inside the box. The kind of 3 compartments. This I believe has the documents. There's the watch right here and some accessories over here. Let's take a look at the accessories first. Let me take it out like this, and what do we have here? It looks like a charging cable. It is a charging cable actually. This is a USB type A charging cable. This is the part that connects to the smartwatch. We'll come to that in a while. But yeah, this is a charging cable. Let's keep this here. This is the Mi Smart Band 5 user manual. It's a long one, not very long actually, but yeah, you should read it at least once so that you know what you're getting into. Finally, let's take a look at the smartwatch itself. Or rather, sorry, the fitness band, the Mi Smart Band. Yeah, this is what the Mi Smart Band looks like. It's very sleek. Has an ergonomic feel to it. This is by the way, is not leather. This is rubber, which makes it more durable than most things, to be very fair. The display is 1.1-inch AMOLED, and that's about it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mi Smart Band 5.
The 1.1-inch full-touch AMOLED color display on this smart band is a great look and easy to read. It has a 125 mAh battery that runs up to 14 days on a single charge. It has magnetic hassle-free charging and a PAI, Personal Activity Intelligence. That is a single matrix to track all your fitness-related activities. It can track 11 professional sports modes, including yoga and rope skipping. The band also features run-on-the-go tracking with automatic activity detection for running and walking. The Mi Smart Band is also 5 ATM water resistant and recognizes swimming mode. The band has a stress monitoring feature with guided breathing exercises to lower stress levels. It also includes women health monitoring features such as menstrual cycle tracking and notifications.
The Mi Band 5 is one of the affordable fitness bands from Xiaomi. It weighs about 11.9 grams. It has a 1.1-inch AMOLED full-touch color display with 126 by 294 pixels resolution. It has a maximum screen brightness of 450 nits. It has 512 KB RAM. The fitness band comes with 16 MB ROM. The Mi Band 5 has got a 5 ATM water resistance rating. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 BLE. The device is backed by a 125 mAh battery. It's got a 6-axis sensor and a PPG heart rate sensor. The device supports magnetic charging. The Mi Band 5 supports Android 5.0 or iOS 10.0 and above. The fitness band comes with activity tracking and 11 professional sports tracking modes.